This is crazy. Gurgaon has never seen something like this. Sector 14 SPJ Vedantam, the first mall in the center of Old Gurgaon, is now coming up with first high-rise ultra-luxurious tower on top of it with 5-star amenities. Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rachit Garg and I'm from Address Creators. So today I've got a big breaking news for people who are living in Old Gurgaon and investors. Apartment above luxurious mall. Let me tell you why this is huge. But before that, here's a glimpse of the project. The land bank of this project is 4.15 acres, in which the height will be G+31. So from ground to fifth, they are coming up with mall concept in which high street market, restaurant spaces, PVR, dining, gaming zone, these all are coming up in this. From 7 to 31st, high-rise towers are coming up in which two typologies are there, and basically it's a 3 to a core. So जो दो typology आ रही है, that is first one is 2220 square feet, which is a 3 BHK plus puja room plus servant. Second, it's a 2340 square feet. Again, it's a 3 BHK plus puja room plus servant. Now I will tell you why this is huge. This is a very rare concept where you will get a full-scale luxury mall below, in which you are getting entertainment zone, multiplex, premium brands. Now our residential high-rise towers right above it. Basically, Sector 14 is one of the strongest location in Gurgaon, where you will get highly population, high spending power, old Gurgaon crowd plus new Gurgaon working professional, all in one catchment. This area is always active. So if I talk about clubhouse, it's a 40,000 square feet clubhouse. It's coming up in this project, in which you are getting all kind of indoor amenities like indoor swimming pool, card room, ballroom where you can do party. Apart from this, meditation room, gym, sauna and spa. Such kind of amenities you are getting in this project. So here are the few USPs of the project. SPJ Vedantam is the first and only mall that is coming out along with a high-rise tower in the heart of Old Gurgaon. Number 2, Sector 14 is also known as Old DLF Colony, which is a premium sector colony in Sector 14. Number 3, and the good one, that is a price budget. आज के टाइम पे 3.30 के बजट पे high-rise tower for 3 BHK कुछ नहीं आता in Old Gurgaon. Why investors are excited? Mall below your home means constant activity, which boosts appreciation. No other project nearby offers this kind of 3-level car parking, retail mix, multiplex and entertainment zone with structure. So if you want pricing or pre-launch benefits, you can call me in a given number below, or you can comment me in a comment section, because this kind of opportunity will not come again. Thank you.